Hi, my name's Mark, and welcome to Membership Websites. One of the common questions that comes up is how do you edit the home page and elements on your home page, and where not to do the edits as well. So let me just show you in the back end of the website. First of all, where not to do the edits on your home page content. If you go to My Content Web Page Builder, you will see in Web Page Builder that you've got your homepage section just here. And if you go to edit that, you will see you have a blank canvas just in here. You may have some widgets and you may have some content display, but this is not where you edit your home page. So everything that's appearing on the home page is done in a different place in the website. It's done in settings and design settings. So if you go into settings and design settings, and go to home page, this tab here is where you edit all the content for your home page, from your home page themes to your image slider to the content that displays below the hero section on your page, from your hero title to the hero image to the search widgets that you're using, to the section font and section settings. All the information for your homepage, all the edits, all the content is done within this tab. However, there may be elements that you want to change that aren't available just in here. And you can go to the web page builder and back to the home page. And if you click on edit, for example, quite often when I do websites with people, I will hide the header and I might even hide the footer. We're going to hide the top header menu and the main menu, and we want to click and make sure that that's enabled to enlarge any images that are displayed on the home page. Everything else we're going to leave as is. When we go back to the home page here and now refresh this, you'll see that the header has disappeared. And sometimes that's really useful, particularly for some of your pages and more so for your home page, where you want the visitor to zone in to a clear message on your website. So it might be that you want to hide certain elements on your page, and that's how you can easily do that. You can have of course, use things like CSS and stuff, which you can apply to the advanced section within this page as well. Just another note as well for your SEO information. So you'll see some of your information appear when you hover on the tab at the top of your page. To edit that information, you do it within the home page under Web Page Builder as well, under the SEO settings. You can then add your own meta title description for both your main page and your social media. So I hope you found that video useful, but that's how you can hide elements of your page. You can do this for any of your pages, but when designing your home page, it may be something that you consider doing, just to make sure that people really zone into your hero section and make that the focus of your landing page. I hope you found that video useful, and thanks for watching.